bugs are biting me.
What's going on, Pocket Theory? It's your main man, Suds, coming to you from the Tinker Closet here in my home office in Austin, Texas. What are we talking about today? Well, it doesn't matter what part of the country you live in. It's summertime in the USA, and that means the bugs are coming out in full force. If you want to survive the summertime onslaught without scratching yourself silly, you need to pay attention to today's video. We're here today showcasing my dedicated EDC bug bite and sting kit. Wait, you don't have a dedicated bug bite kit? You call yourself an EDC person? Or like a faker from Jamaica?
A faker! A phony!
All the items in this kit are selected to help you treat and manage bug bites and stings of every variety. Obviously, if you have been bitten by a venomous snake or spider, you should seek out immediate assistance from emergency services or a poison control center. But let's jump into this kit. First and foremost, I just want to talk about this dope-ass pouch. This is from Dickinson Trading Post. I'm not sure what the guy's first name is, but in my head, I wish it was Bruce Dickinson.
Yes, the Bruce Dickinson.
Either way, Dickinson Trading Post, he's just a cool guy making cool pouches in his house here in the United States. Check him out. Links are in the description. This is one of my favorite pouches. It's just the red, white, and blue dump pouch from Dickinson Trading Post. I've had this for a while. This is actually one of the coolest kits that I have ever assembled, one of the most useful and practical kits that I have ever assembled. If you're a dad, if you're somebody who just deals with bug bites and doesn't like to scratch a lot, you need to assemble a kit like this. This is insanely practical. This is a specialty kit dedicated to bug bites that is meant to complement my existing big boo-boo kit. There is a separate video for this kit. Be sure to check that out. I'm gonna jump right into this and start showing off what's inside. Are you guys ready to see what we got going on in the bug bite kit? Man, look at this. Look at the way this pouch is loaded out too. You'll see it's not overstuffed. You can get it zipped and opened very easily without dealing with a lot of bulk. This is exactly how a pouch should be filled up, not too full. As you can see, it's a big open pouch and I've just kind of dumped all the gear in there. So we're gonna start pulling things out one at a time. I'm gonna start off with this. This is a Benadryl itch relief stick. If you get a bite, you're gonna wanna treat it. You just pull this cap off and it's got like a little roll-on tip. You cover up the bug bite, it stops the itch, one and done. Right here, I've got an absolutely dope piece of gear. This is the Bug Bite Thing from bugbitething.com. It's basically a suction device that you can put over a bug bite or a scorpion sting or a spider bite and suck out the venom, suck out the poison. The Bug Bite Thing is a fantastic piece of kit. No creams, no chemicals, kid-friendly, reusable.
I just need someone to suck the poison out.
You put the Bug Bite Thing over the bug bite or sting area. You pull the handle up slightly until you feel the suction. You hold for 10 or 20 seconds, then you push the handle down to release the suction. And that's it. It works on mosquito bites, bee stings, wasps, ants, and other biting insects that leave their irritant, which is saliva or venom, under the surface of the skin, and it also works great at removing splinters. You can clean it, you can reuse it, and put it back in the kit. Great piece of kit. The Bug Bite Thing. Check it out, links in the description. Down here, one of the most essential items that you can have in a bug bite kit, some friggin' cortisone 10. Yeah, it's good for eczema, but you know what else it's good for? Itching. You can apply this crap liberally and it really, really works. Anybody wondering why such a big tube? If you've ever tangled with poison ivy, you go through this stuff pretty quickly, but it also works excellently for bug bites. Over here, we got a bunch of flat storage. I'm just gonna get into these items right now. You got some Benadryl. These are antihistamine allergy pills. They also work if you are itching like crazy from a bunch of bug bites or bee stings. When it comes to bandages, you guys know I like the CURAD Performance Series. They got the nice high vis. These things are absolutely excellent Band-Aids, but specifically for bug bites, I like these little hydrocolloid gel patches too. These are super handy and they promote proper healing. I've got some sting relief wipes just in case you need them. You can spend a lot of money on fancy sting relief wipes, or you can just get yourself some Ever Ready First Aid sting relief wipes. They come in a 100-pack for about $10 on Amazon, and guess what? The ingredient in these pads is the same as the fancy name brand ones that you get in a 10-pack for $10. They're just a tenth of the cost. Over here, cutter bug bite patches. If you've got a lot of bug bites, these nice little circles cover them up quite nicely. These cutter bug bite patches are absolutely fantastic. They absorb fluids from bug bite wounds, they cover up to prevent itching and scratching, and they help heal and prevent infection. Absolutely essential in a bug bite kit. Definitely check these out as well. Over here in this paper clip, I've just got some instructions and things that are all clipped together. So like if you forget how to use any of the crap that's in this kit, keep your instructions together. Now we're getting into the really good stuff. Down here, I've got a solid pair of tweezers. Again, the Uncle Bill's sliver grippers work great if you're just carrying a keychain. But if you're putting together a kit and you want to remove a splinter, you're not going to want to fuck around with the sliver grippers. You're going to want some really nice tweezers. Get yourself a good pair of tweezers. Keep them in a nice little slip like this. This is from a company called Kiss. These are great tweezers. Down here, I just got a little flashlight. Yeah, that's right. Just in case you're in low light conditions, something simple like this that you just twist to turn on. You don't want to be messing around. Give yourself a little flashlight just in case you need it. Right here, I've got some Moskinto. Don't scratch it, patch it. These are itch relief patches. They've got a nice little crosshatch pattern that you stick over a bug bite. They're drug-free, they're latex-free, they prevent you from scratching, and they promote healing, and something about the crosshatch design actually makes you itch less. So this is a very specialty Band-Aids for bug bites. Rounding out the bottom, you've got yourself a dedicated tick removal kit. Guys, Lyme disease is a real thing. If you live in an area that is prone to having ticks around, get yourself a tick removal kit. It's a specialty kit with specialty tools designed to remove ticks from your skin. There are instructions that I have clipped down here so you don't have to remember how to use them. This isn't an emergency procedure, so as long as you get it done within a few hours of being bitten by a tick or discovering that you have a tick attached to you, you're going to be fine, but this comes in very handy. Have some dedicated tools so you don't have to frick around with tweezers. And then last but certainly not least, I've got it on this fun little yellow lanyard. This is the HeatIt Insect Bite Healer. I got to give a shout out to my buddy Vincent Gilligan over at Vincent Gilligan EDC. He is the first person that I saw talking about this particular device. This thing is a fantastic piece of kit. You download the app at HeatIt.com and you're ready to go. It's got the QR code right here. The instructions are pictographic on the back. Everything you need ready to go. And the device itself takes up virtually no space inside your pouch. This is an actual medical device that relieves itching from insect bites through heat. You just plug it into your smartphone, you select a heat mode from the HeatIt app, and this treatment starts. It's compact, it's lightweight, you can attach it to a key ring. It takes up absolutely no space at all in my bug bite kit. 12 different modes of treatment. So if you've been bitten by a bug and you have a smartphone, keep one of these handy. You can acquire this for less than $30 on Amazon. It works with Android phones and it works with any compatible iPhone from 15 forward. This is one of the coolest EDC devices that I have ever seen. And I got to give a shout out to Vincent Gilligan for bringing it to my attention. This is a really, really great addition to my EDC bug bite kit. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, summertime is upon us. The bugs are out in full force. They're attacking mother effers left and right. Hide your kids, hide your wife, get yourself a dedicated EDC bug bite and sting kit. You will not regret it. When it comes to treating bug bites and stings, just remember to think outside the box, be creative with your gear, and have fun with your EDC. This is Science Pocket Theory. Carry what you want.